My name is Sherry O'Boyle, and until about 2 years ago, I was working for Peace Health Oregon region as I was finishing my master's degree. And when the economic downturn hit, I was for the first time in my life unemployed. My position was eliminated, and there wasn't anything any of us could do. Peace Health wanted to keep me on, but there just wasn't any way to do that. I learned about Lane Workforce Partnership and entered their Executive Career Finders program. And I learned how to truly market myself through active interviewing and practice interviewing and going on mock interviews, and I also put together a career portfolio that I was able to pull out when I went to different job interviews. There were a lot of materials in that career portfolio that I had at my fingertips. And probably most beneficial to me in my work search was the WIA scholarship, the training scholarship that I got, because I used those scholarship monies to attain my certificate as a healthcare quality professional. It's called a CPHQ, Certified Professional in Healthcare Quality. And that's a globally recognized certificate that gave me the added credibility I needed to stay in the healthcare field, because that's really what I wanted to do. And just recently I attained a position with Silverton Hospital as their Director of Education, and it's probably my dream position. It's a position that I am going to be in for many years to come, and it's everything that I have been looking for and more. And I do feel I owe a lot to Lane Workforce Partnership for their assistance.